Alright guys, good morning on this snowstorm morning. That's what they say. Sunday is supposed to be the snowstorm morning. So, this is what we looking like. Kids. So, let's get this up off here. I said I don't mind having a little weight on the back of it. I wasn't, I meant a little differently. To be honest with you. But yeah, this is what we look at. Got a few inches out here. Let's start her up. So, how many of y'all sons, daughters, y'all gonna let them allow them to drive themselves to work on this day that they say is bad? And this is his first snowstorm. You know what I mean? So, should I allow him to drive himself to work? Or should I take him to work? Like, I should. Copyright. Hold on, y'all. Should I go ahead and let him drive himself? Because he really wants to drive himself. And I'm like, nah, bud. I don't know about that. So, I'm the dad that's like, nah, we ain't doing that. What y'all tell me? Am I wrong? Or should I allow him to go ahead and drive himself? Not necessarily him, it's the people on the street. I don't trust everybody, which that's natural coming with drivers, but right now he knew I don't feel like he should take that chance right now. Y'all tell me what y'all think though. Dad say no, even though we've all done it when we were younger, had to do it. But these days now, it's like, nah, I ain't ready to allow him to do that. So, give me a minute. Let me get these doors out of here, or lay them down a little better than what my kid did. Let the truck warm up. So, I'll get back to y'all.